All right, guys, your next exercise is a hamstring curl, but if you don't have a hamstring curl machine at home, this is what you can do. So you're gonna place your foot. You can use a Bosey ball, or you can use stairs or your furniture. So don't feel like if you don't have this piece of equipment that you still can't do this. You can even just do it on the ground. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep your abs nice and tight, pressing through your heels, and you're gonna lift your glutes. And then I want you to hold. If this is easy, then I want you to lift one leg. Lift one leg and hold. Hold for about 5 or 10 seconds, and then switch. Notice how I try not to move too much like this. I don't shake or anything. Everything's nice and tight, and lift. You should be really feeling that in your hamstrings. This is an isometric hamstring hold, or isometric hamstring exercise. And then I want you to repeat, holding it. It's even hard for me. Keep your abs nice and tight. Watch your near spine, that you're not rolling down, sagging, or lifting too high. You want to keep that neutral spine. Your turn.